Hi all, welcome back to Views of Tasty Views. Here is another seafood recipe, clams pathiri. Here using semolina or suji or we used to call rava for pathiri. Clams have a hard to describe taste, very flavorful, salty and slightly fishy taste. The texture is soft, chewy and buttery. Really delicious recipe. Keep watching till the end of the video. Moving on making clams pathiri, add water to a vessel, let it boil. Clams are very nutritional with lean source of protein, are rich in minerals, vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids, good source of choline too. Adding clams into the boiled water, it should be fully immersed into the water. Let it cook after 5 minutes. Shells are like this. Let it cook 5 more minutes. Clams have been found to possess cancer preventing properties and appears to be protective against fatty liver disease too. Now strain it. Remove the clams from the shells. Now clean the clams. Just remove the black portions. Now the clams almost cleaned. Heat a pan. Add around 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add 2 medium-sized chopped onions. Give a mix. Add some salt. Now the onions turn to a golden brown color. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Saute it well. Add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder. Saute it well. Add clams. Mix everything together for at least 5 minutes till clam is well coated onto the masala. Add 1 tablespoon tomato puree. Mix it well. Add quarter cup of water. Keep it in medium flame. Just give a mix. Then close with a lid. Let it cook for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, the clams masala is almost ready. Now keep it in low flame. Add some coconut oil. Mix it well. After 5 minutes, turn off the flame. Let it cool. Take a blender. Add clams masala into it. Give a 3 to 4 pulse. Make a grinded mixture like this. Keep it aside. Adding 1 cup of semolina. Make it powder. Add it to a bowl. Add half cup of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon salt and give a mix. Adding 2 cup of water into the vessel. Let it boil. And then add flour mix into the boiled water. Just give a good mix Kept it in a low flame. Mix it well until the whole flour well combined. For this I have taken 1 cup semolina and half cup all-purpose flour. I got around 14 patiris. Switch off the flame, close with a lid, let it cool itself a little bit. Apply some coconut oil on your palms. Knead it well to make it into a small dough. The patiri is become perfect if the kneading is well done. The more you knead, you should get a very smooth, soft dough. Add clams masala into it. Knead it well until whole masala well combined. Now the dough is almost done. Apply some coconut oil on your palms. Make a lemon-sized balls from the dough. Roll it and spread it with your palm. Here I am using chapati roller to spread it. Even you can use patiri press to flatten it. If it sticks on the bottom, apply some oil and spread it. Now the patiri is almost done. I used this lid to make it shape. Now the cooking process. Place the patiri on the tawa that heated on the medium to high flame. After around 30 seconds, turn it on to the other side. When you start seeing a small bubble on the top, that's the time to turn again. Now the color is changing. Just give a gentle press. Now it's fluffs. It doesn't fluffs like rice roti or rava patiri. Then take it off. Now the clams rava patiri is ready. You must try. It's really delicious. Adding more masala gets more taste. Hope you will try this. Thanks for watching. See you with another exciting and delicious recipe.